How do you cook your eggs? I don't have an Instant Pot or an air fryer, so I'm using the old-fashioned pot and boiling water. Here's how I make easy to peel, hard-cooked eggs. Place eggs in pot and cover with 1/2 inch of cold water. Cover, turn on the heat, and bring it to a boil, a full hard boil. When it reaches a hard boil, turn off the heat, put on the cover, and set the timer for 14 minutes. Drain the water immediately and shock with cold water and ice. Take each egg and knock it gently against the side of the pot to form tiny little hair cracks and let water in. Crack it all over. You can do a beat. Roll it. Don't want to squish it super hard. You don't want to break the egg white. You just want to get that membrane to separate from the white. Use that membrane to your advantage. Here we go. Nice. Got it. Beauty.